Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify n8n workflow triggers with test inputs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify n8n workflow triggers with test inputs, first, open your n8n instance. Navigate to the workflow you want to test. Click on the trigger node to highlight it. Review the configuration settings for your trigger. Select the Execute Node option in the n8n interface. This will initiate the trigger node's execution. Next, you will see a dialog box for test inputs. Input the necessary parameters required by the trigger. Once the inputs are entered, confirm by clicking on Execute. Observe the execution log that appears on the right side. Check for any errors or warnings in the execution log. If applicable, navigate to the next node in your workflow. Verify that it has received the expected data from the trigger. If the next node processes correctly, your trigger is functioning as intended. If you encounter issues, revisit the trigger configuration for any mistakes. Make adjustments as necessary and repeat the test until satisfied. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your n8n workflow triggers with test inputs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.